Okay, good everybody. My name is Dickson, and I am a student of No Big Deal / Network Academy, and I came here studying software development. I've learned web, but right now I'm learning software development, and I started on July 7th, 2025. Now I'm here with a project to determine the age. When I mean age is when somebody inside that age, you can tell whether the person is an adult or is not an adult. That's the first application I'm doing. Right here, as you can see, I used internal JavaScript. We have two kind of JavaScript, internal and external. But I use internal because to make my work more easier. So I use internal JavaScript. Before we start, in JavaScript we have what we call variables, and variables are declarations and assignments. So now I declared a variable using using var8. Var stand for value. I use var8, putting the number 14. You can put any number there as far as your. I will come to it. I said I put 14 at my var8. Now we're using a function known as prompt to allow to that what the function that allows us to do what we want to do. So because of and for us to use our prompt function, we have to also use a declaration, and we cannot put our var8 with the figure and also that the same prompt on the same line because your code will be incorrect. So I declare another var8 and put in the prompt there, as you can see. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, it's there. After that, I use my if statement, which we also learn in Excel, but also learn it in JavaScript. So here's my if statement saying if your age is greater than or equals to 18, you're an adult. Yes. And I now use a script function, as I said before, in the if function, age greater than equals to 18, meaning that anybody that is greater than or equal or that's exactly 18-year old. Based on what I want you to say, I put that that person is an adult. As you can see here in the code, the person is an adult. That's what I put there using the function document.write or document.writeLine, because in my system you cannot use write because it will not work. So I'm using writeLine for my own system. So after that, now, as I said before, I want to determine whether you're an adult or not. And the code I've just written right now only shows that you're an adult. It does not show if you're not an adult or what. So, and that is another function. Sorry, I use brackets. My if statement goes like this: if bracket and then curly brace. Inside the bracket is where you put your age greater than equals to 18, and inside your curly brace where you put your document dot write line or write, depending on what works on your system better. So after I closed it, I create another function else. As you know, else is for